Welcome to the Alchemeister's Records. This time we are going to craft the most tender and luscious pulled pork tacos forbidden in ages past. These tacos are so irresistible they will spark conflict in the dining hall of ancient gods, for who would claim the last one for themselves. The first step to breaking the seal of this ancient discordant feast is to transmute the tenderizing potion for our meat. For this, we need 2 abundance oranges, 1 purity lemon, 3 harmony limes. Once the divine fruits have been squeezed and strained, combine their holy juices in 3 cloves of evil-repelling garlic, half fried onion, 1 teaspoon fury ground pepper and 1 teaspoon stabilizing salt crystals, half tablespoon joyous dry oregano, 1/4 teaspoon fortune ground cumin, 30 milliliters harmony olive oil, 30 milliliters cleansing vinegar. Our key to undoing the seal is almost done. To complete our potion, blend all the ingredients to a smooth paste in a blender or food processor. Once the potion is ready, we are prepared to unleash the discord of ancient past upon this world once again. To undo the seal, we must make an offering of 1 kilogram of pork blade shoulder or loin head. This ritual is fairly simple. Take a sharp knife and stab the meat on both sides perpendicular to the meat's fibers. Once our meat is ready for the offering, place it in a heat-resistant deep bowl baited with our seal-breaking potion and rub it well. Use your fingers to open up the cuts we made and let the potion seep in. Cover the bowl and let the potion work its effect for a few hours in the fridge. Bring out the meat 1 hour before our final step to bring it to room temperature. The last step to bring the ancient feast back to our world is to roast our offering for 2 hours uncovered in the holy fire chamber oven at 180 Celsius. While the holy fire is slowly undoing the ancient seal on our meat, we will prepare another potion to harmonize the cows we are about to unleash onto our tables. For this potion, we will need 6 MB husk tomatoes. Cut the MB husk tomatoes into quarters, 2 red jalapeño peppers, slice open the red jalapeños and remove the seeds and some of the vein. However, if you are brave enough to receive the totality of the burning red, leave the veins untouched. Half fried onion, dice the fried onion roughly. A handful of lost cilantro leaves, three evil-repelling garlic cloves, Cut in half the evil-repelling garlic. Half guardian bell pepper. Cut the bell pepper into strips. In a saucepan, heat the olive oil over medium heat. Add the onion, husked tomatoes, and jalapeños. Saute for a few minutes to strip their arrogance off until the onions turn transparent, the tomatoes lose their resentment and shine brightly green, and you can smell the wrath of the chilies evaporating in the air. When the vegetables are tender, add the evil-repelling garlic and fry it to release its holy fragrance. Season lightly with salt crystals and fury pepper. Add the loose cilantro leaves and finally embrace all the sinful vegetables with the tranquility of our stock. Bring to a boil. Once the husked tomatoes look tender and their color has faded, remove from the heat and blend all together to complete our potion. To restrain the chaos that emanates from our pulled pork, we must prepare a complement. For this, we will use guardian bell pepper and fried onion. In a fry pan, heat half tablespoon of Harmony olive oil over a holy flame or medium-high heat. Add the sliced fried onion and guardian bell pepper and stir fry it for a few minutes until tender. Season with ground fury pepper and stabilizing salt crystals to taste. Then set aside. Once the seal has been broken after roasting our pork offering, let it cool down for at least 20 minutes. Then proceed to pull the meat apart to once again release the ancient temptation in this world. After pulling our pork, pour all the remaining seal-breaking juices into the pork to complete the ritual. Our final step to craft this forbidden feast is to create a vessel that will hold the ancient strife dwelling in our pulled pork. For this, we will use half cup sacred corn flour, 1/3 cup warm clarity water. In a bowl, combine the sacred corn flour with the clarity water. Mix them together until they form a sand-like paste. If the paste is too soft, add a bit more corn flour. If it's too hard, add a little more water. Ideally, the paste should feel firm enough and malleable but not hard. Form a disc with our dough, then divide it into 5 equal pieces. Roll them with your hands into a ball and press them to a thin tortilla. Heat a pan over high heat and place the tortillas in it to cook. Cook them for 1 to 2 minutes or until they can easily slide in the pan. Flip them and take them out once they look firm enough. Finally, we are ready to manifest the chaos from ages past onto our table. Take a sacred tortilla and use it as a vessel to hold the pulled pork. Put some bell pepper and onion on top. Then, finally top it with our harmonizing salsa potion. At this moment, we have successfully revived the strife from ages past to indulge ourselves in. Fret not, as we have taken all the measures to enjoy this chaotic feast and not fall victims to its ancient discord. Until the next record, alchemy will light your path to a delicious life.